Then I did the left one, but I need a right one. If you pull over in the left side of the road, you cannot see traffic coming behind you. Guess what? I'm putting it on wrong. This is the threaded end. So what I gotta do is turn this around. I should have looked at the other one to see how I did that. That's okay. I caught myself, didn't I? Okay. That's how that goes. Get this started. There we go. And the bottom one. Get that started. And it is. Let's see what we have for clearance. That's about it. It's about where I want it, right there. That's good. I'm not left-handed, but I can still work with my left hand. Yeah. Mirror on. And when you get it as far down as you can get it, see that dropping like that, you're going to need that Allen wrench. Tighten all this stuff up first. What I gotta do is position that. Okay, and is that a 14 millimeter? Yes, it was. Or it wasn't. What do we got here? That's 14. What was I thinking? It went on. Oh, that's tightening down. Okay, then you tighten this down. Gonna have to loosen it up and adjust it. It's down too far.